Hello everyone, this is Sean for RealChar. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a community character for someone really famous. Let's get started. So we're going to create Keanu Reeves today. First, open your favorite code editor, VS Code. So then do a simple copy paste of a existing character. Then rename the folder to the character you want, Keanu Reeves, for my case. Okay, then go to the config YAML file. Also rename the character ID to Keanu Reeves, and rename the name Keanu Reeves. Okay, so then for the system prompt, go to your ChatGPT. So I'm going to post this, going to share this link later. So what it does is just copy paste all the instructions here, then type based on previous formats, create a Keanu Reeves. So then it will generate a system prompt for you. So just copy paste this system prompt and go back to your system prompt, then copy paste here. Make sure it's correctly formatted and with all the indents. Let's just quickly do the indent and make sure there is separate for the final part. Then that's it. So for the Keanu Reeves, you already have the information for him. We can select a default character voice ID for that. We just use 11 laps for now. Then that's all for the config file. Next, so go to the change the image. So let's delete Mac's picture. Then we can go to Keanu Reeves, find the picture. So I'm using Wikipedia picture because if you go check their copyrights, we're free to use this. So just copy paste this, just download, and then once you download, go back to your profile, go back to that, and copy paste here into the folder. So rename this with the same name, Keanu Reeves. JPEG. Okay, so next is we already have finished the config and we already finished the picture. The next is make sure you have the correct data. So let's delete existing data in the folder. So how do we create data? Create a file called talk.csv. So this is going to use for the talking styles. Then go back to your ChatGPT, same, just copy paste some of the previous examples and add, based on previous format, generate name, context, quote for Keanu Reeves. Then you get a lot of Keanu Reeves quotes. This is going to really help your characters talk like Keanu Reeves. So if you need more of this, you can just say, okay, give me 10 more examples. So it's going to generate 10 more examples for you. Then later on, just copy paste this into the data. So in the data folder, everything can be just pure text. So it doesn't need to be formatted. Here, using CSV, it's just like help me easier to view all the information. Okay, once it generates, we can just simple copy paste all the information here, then go back to here, then copy paste. Okay, that's it. You get all the data you need. So we already have the information for Keanu Reeves, for the system prompts, for the user prompts, for the talking data. Then we do a simple voice clone. So how to do a voice clone? Let's start with, for my practice, I usually just go to search like Keanu Reeves podcast, right? So because those podcasts usually have higher audio quality, then go to download. For any of the tools, you can download the audio file, Once you have the audio file, I just go to, since I'm using Mac, I just go to iMovie to do a simple change of all the audios, make sure it's like probably close to 1 minute, that's fine. So once you have 1 minute of audio files, then you can just simple copy, let me remove this one, just simple copy paste Keanu Reeves audio file. Probably just rename this to Keanu. So once you have that, you can see, like, I can play this, you can know, like, the audio quality.
Let's see, my mother and father were like 22, 21, 22.
Yeah, so that's a good example. So once you have all the information here, you can just start your server. So here I already have my server running, and let me restart my server. So for the backend, just start the server. It's going to pull all the information from your folders. Make sure you can see the Keanu Reeves character already added. Then just wait for it to start. Then for the web, it's the same. Just restart, and it's going to open up a new window for you, and you should see Keanu Reeves for this. Yeah, it's here. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. Everything you need for your code. And once you have everything here, and definitely make sure you change the name. You alter the name, change your name, then create a PR. All other voice clone and the image hosting RealChar team will help you to finish. Thank you. That's all.